Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Karen and today I am doing some cash condensing and taking some money to my bank and transferring it into my high yield savings account. So let's get started. I do want to start with some bigger bills where I have some 50s. So I'm going to get started there. Okay, so I'm going to get started here. This is one of my challenges for the month of April that I completed recently. So we have 1, 20, 40, 60, 82, 250, 270, 80, 90, 300. Okay, so let's condense this with some placeholders. So I have some 100s, 500s, 1,000, 5,000, and fully funded. So right now, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 50, 70, 80, 90, 300. And I'm just going to condense here. This is 10, 20, 30, 35. So 20, 30, and 5. Right? Yeah, I think I did that right. I hope I did that right. So, okay. Let me see here. All right. So 20, 35. Okay, so we have a 500 placeholder. So that's 5, 6, 7, 800 and $35 in this challenge here. Okay. Now let's see here. Okay, so let's see, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. 20, 40, 65, 67, 68, 69, 75. 20, 40, 45, $50. So we're going to take 50 and then we can condense this $5. So 50, 70, and 5. So let's see if we can condense any more here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So let me get a $500 placeholder. So we have 5, 50, 6, 75, 575. Okay, let's see if we can condense here. We have 20, 40, and 50. 50 here. We just condensed here. Let's see. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So $24. Okay, let's see what we have here. In this savings challenge, this is another savings challenge that I completed for the month of April. We have 50, 70, 90, 100. And we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 55. I'm going to get a 100 placeholder, and let's see what we have. We have $406. Okay, so this is my birthday envelope. I am not taking it to the bank because as the person who is helping me with plan for my birthday, I am going to just pay cash instead of putting it in a high yield savings. And, you know, I'm going to have to pay her in like different deposits, etc. So I'm not going to touch the cash, but I can condense a little bit here. This is 40, 50, 60, 70, 85, 90. Okay, this may be $100 here. 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 85, 86, 90. Yep, this is $100. So I am going to put $100 there. So we have 1, 2, 3, 50 so far for my birthday. That's in January, by the way. So yay, this binder is so much lighter. Okay. And then these are my scratch offs. Now, I have, the last time I did a condensing, I put $73. I stuffed. Okay, so $73 went into my high yield savings account. So I'm going to add $27 to the bank and then put in 100. So 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, so now it's a total of 100 in the high yield savings. So I made that note for this round. Then we have 50. And we don't have another 50, but we do have 51, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can condense a 5. So we have 100. And I'm going to get another $100 placeholder. And 5, 6, 7, and 8. So that's 200. Now let's count total how much we have here. We have 5, 10. So that's 1,000. 1, 2, 3. $1,308 so far. Yay! And this is good for me to know because my goal is to have $5,000 in my scratch off binder. So, you know, I'm getting there. Okay, let me see if I can stuff anything here. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we have 10, 15, 16, 17, and 18. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. That's $10 and $13 here. And we have 10, 20, 30, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have $50 here. And we do have a 50. there. Yay. Okay, so this binder is much lighter as well. So let me see how much I am taking to the bank. Okay, so we have 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 80, 400, 10, 20, 30, 5, 10, 20, 5, 30, 5, 45, 55, 65, 75, 85, 95, 100, 5, 10, 15, 20, 5, 35, 45, 55, 60. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20, 30, 40, 10, 20, 30, 40, 10, 20, 27, 28, 29, and 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 27. So this is a total of $727 that I am taking to the bank. Yay! And I love these placeholders, and man, I'm trying to figure out, once I find out where I got these from, these are new. I will put it in the description box. And thank you all for staying this far in the video. And I would like to give away 2 of these. So leave me a comment in the description box and hashtag placeholder. Hashtag placeholder, and I will send these out to the winner. And I will, in 48 hours from today, I will let the winner know who won. Yay, guys, thank you for sticking with me in this video, and I will see you next time.